Hi guys, today we look at the placement scenario at MDI Gurgaon, and trust me, the numbers are very encouraging, very motivating for everyone. You can check out the detail about MDI Gurgaon on cteching.com/MDI. That is our page for MDI, all the reports about MDI Gurgaon. So we look at the placement scenario with some internship and the final placement. So college is beautiful. It's a red brick campus like I'm Ahmedabad. I got a chance to stay there during my summer internship. So my summer internship was in Pepsi. So if you go to, for example, Lucknow, you can stay at I'm Lucknow. If you go to Delhi, you can stay in MDI in Gurgaon and everywhere. Established in 1973, the campus is located in Gurgaon, which is the commercial hub for near the Indian capital, New Delhi. So placement exam accepted, obviously the accepting CAT scores only. And there's a special cutoff for verbal 85 percentile, DI logic 75, quant 75, overall 95 percentile. Summer internship scenario this year, highest stipend is 3.2 lakh. That is for 2 years. For all the 462 students, number of students at the campus are 462. Median stipend 2.2 lakhs and average stipend 2.31 lakh, which is at par with any of the top B schools. Yeah. Total 420 students. Out of them, PGP main program, there are 299 students at the college. And all these companies came on campus, right from Abbott to Adani Group, Airtel to Tata Global Beverages, Sanofi, Samsung, all the main companies we have come on campus, Accenture. Look at the final placement. But before we go for the final placement, I want to check out the batch profile. So 36% of the batch is freshers, 12% 12 months of work-ex, 26 months of work-ex, 13 to 24 months of 24 months of work-ex to 26% people, and 20% people have more than 24 months of work-ex. 24 plus 6% is having 18 months or 36 plus months of work-ex. So if I join them together, 26% of the batch have more than 25 months of work-ex. Now those who think you are too old for MBA, this is for you. 6% of the batch is going there. Those who think whether I'm a fresher, I should go there or not, 36% have zero work-ex. And as usual, as compared to every college, 36% of the batch have work-ex of more than, 38% of the batch have work-ex of more than, between 1 to 24 months of work-ex. So very balanced batch at MDI, 36%, 38%, 26%. Yep. So batch wise, everybody have an equal chance to come there. So work-ex wise, marketing 24 months of, banking 7% people have the work-ex, engineering, construction 17%, consulting 18%, IT 34%. I've said earlier as well, almost 33-40% of the batch is always IT percent. Now diversity, 72% engineers, which is a very balanced ratio, 13% commerce, 10% arts and 5% others. Engineers will always be more because maximum engineers are applying for the exam. जब देने वाले इंजीनियर ज्यादा होंगे तो कन्वर्ट करने वाले भी ज्यादा होंगे. एवरेज कैट परसेंटाइल इज 98.76. या एवरेज मंथ ऑफ वर्क-एक्स 22 months of work-ex. Gender diversity is very balanced at the college, 32% female to 68% male. Trust me, this is one of the best gender balance. Average age going up to 24 years now. Yeah, and 36% of the batch is from the top tier 1 colleges like SRCC, IITs, NITs. 36% of the batch is from the top B schools, tier 1 colleges. इसका मतलब उल्टा भी है, that 64% of the batch is आम आदमी like you and me. Yeah. So if you are from the Aam Aadmi party, so we have 60%, more than 60% of the batch is belong to us. Now going to the main point, what we are waiting for. Highest salary is 40 lakhs, median salary 22, average is 22.05 lakhs. Yeah. Batch size is 359, including the other PGDM core and other programs. PPO offered 126. So almost 1/3 of the batch have got the PPO. This defined the goodness of the college. That 33% of the batch have, almost 33% of the batch have got the PPO. Okay, company participated 126, so we can check it here as well. This is the graph which I always like. Top 10% of the batch is getting an average package of 31 lakh. Now a lot of people say, Ki sir, I can't get a call from IMABC because I don't have a good academic record, this or that, I'm not eligible. Join MDI. If you're in the top 10 percentile, you're getting 31 lakh a package, average 33 lakh a package. Top 20 of the batch is 30 lakh package. top 50% of the batch is having a 25 lakh ka package, 26.41 ka package, which is the average salary of even IIM Ahmedabad. Yep. So if you join IIM Ahmedabad, you can be average there. But if you join MDI or other B school, Jamal Bajaj, SPJ and FMS, you have to be in the top 20 percentile to get the top job. Otherwise, top 50 mein bhi aa gaya, it's sorted. That should be your main target once you join the B school, to be in the top 20% batch. Simple logic. Yeah, and sales and marketing, all the major FMCG brands are there. Stalwarts have come. Nestle, Tata Consumer Group were the top recruiter. Asian Paints, Coca-Cola, ITC, L'Oreal, Mars, Monaco. Yeah, all the major brands have come for marketing. For finance, all the banks, American Express, Axis Bank, Bank of America, all the major banks have come. Bank of America along with American Express are the best banks for work for in India. Goldman Sachs. General management role, Accenture, Airtel, all the companies came on board. KPMG, PwC India, PwC US, all the companies have come. McKinsey Digital have come, not the McKinsey Core, but the McKinsey Digital have come. Then HR, banks, everyone, IT companies have come for HR as well. So we have a good scenario here at MDI, and this is the main slide for most of you who are preparing for MBA or who are going to join this year, that if you do well in the college, you are getting a 30 lakh package, which is at par with any of the top IIMs. So there's a life beyond IIMs as well. MDI, SPJN, FMS, all of them are showing a very, very good salary packages, which can be a very good target for you people. All right, all the best.